Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori and we are going to just keep on moving on. I have quite a few beauty boxes to unbox, and guess what? We just finished the IPSY Glam bag and now we're going to, that's right, what else could there be but the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So this is the little pink mailer that it comes in. It is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. However, it does not come in a box. It doesn't come in a box. So I'm gonna tuck that over there. Now it's the exact same price as the BoxyCharm, and they are in competition with each other. BoxyCharm doesn't give you this though. For $25 a month, you get this fluffy, soft little makeup bag. You can pretty much do anything you want with this bag right here. It's a decent size. It has a little satin rope enclosure to tie to close it up. It's pretty big, right? It's pretty big. It's a pretty big little bag. I mean, especially for this color. It's a cranberry, raspberry. You do get the little IPSY logo right here. Now let's check and see what's inside. I do know one thing, and I'm just going to tell you straight off the bat. With the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, which is this right here, you're going to get a card. Absolutely going to get a card. Home for the holidays, same theme as the IPSY Glam Bag for December 2020. But it's not going to tell you what came in your bag, and it's not going to give you a description of the product, and it's not going to tell you how much that product retails for when it is not a deluxe sample. So it's going to give, usually they would tell you how much the regular size would be. No, it's not going to do that at all. Okay, this is a pretty heavy little bag. Not only does it feel, oh my goodness, soft, like the kind of, on the other bag, I said that would be a blanket you would love to have in the winter time. This would be a pair of pajamas. I would love to have a pair of pajamas that's made out of this material because it's getting cold. It's winter time. It's winter time, folks. All right, let's get all this stuff out here and see what's inside. It's made out of a really nice material, same as the little bag I showed you before. You can just take a damp washcloth and clean it out if for any reason something was to spill. Your makeup makes a mess in there, lotion, whatever. Draw a tie, boom, done. Okay, the first product is by Verify, and this is the 2020 Eye Cream. Okay, it looks like a pretty decent size. And usually you're going to get quite a few full-size products in the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. It's one of the reasons why it's called the Plus. So just in case you're new to IPSY and you're on the fence of whether or not you want to purchase this month-to-month subscription, the IPSY Glam Bag Plus does have full-size products in it. But anyhow, it's in a beautiful green frosted with the gold cap. It is in a pump. So your dispenser's pumped. That was a nice closure. And the next item is by Trestique. I know you guys are getting tired of these. I love Trestique and I love their products. You guys know that in these little pencils right here, this is a Define, Sculpt, and Set brow pencil. Okay, I love these things. Guys want me to open this up? No, because you're just kind of like, hey, you know what? Keep moving. Get next. All right, Ciate London, or is this Ciate London? This is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. What color did we get? This is in the color. Oh, I'm gonna need my glasses on these. Looks like a color I do have. It's in your typical little dispenser, little glass dispenser. Just kind of, you know, your doe foot, your applicator. It's really cool because see this right here, that see-through? When I first got it and I popped it, you could see the color come right through the doe foot. This doe foot is very interesting. It's long, it's nice, but it's very interesting with regards to how it dispenses. See how it's designed? That flat looks like somebody stepped on a doe foot. And then from Il Maquillage, this was that real heavy eyeshadow. This one is Color Boss. It is a multi-dimensional eye color, and it opens up like this. It's kind of cool because of how they're made. And then it just kind of goes like this. See, I see it opening like that. The magnetic enclosure, or the magnetic closure. Very pretty packaging. You see that? Look at that. Beautiful. What do we have here? We got something in this little bubble wrap. I think this is what was weighting that little bag down. What is this thing? Oh, Shella or Cella. And I'm guessing this is an eyeshadow palette. It is a neutral palette with 1, 2, 3, 4 colors in it. So it's look at the design on this. This palette is designed very interesting. I can't say I've seen a palette designed this way. Look at that little opening. All right, we're gonna push it. And it did kind of come up with almost like a little pressure. Oh, okay. Oh my. It has the colors on the protector. Femme, Instincts, Dynamic, and Vitality. It says love attracts love. But it has a very big mirror. Takes up the entire lid. It does come, and it does say hello beautiful right here. Let's see if I can get something to block it off. It does say hello beautiful. It does have a little brush right there, and we're going to get that out. There it is. It's a dual-ended, or it's dual. This is the sponge, and this is a brush. Won't use it, but I'll keep it with this. And then you have these colors. They do pop out, but see there? See the little notch on top? That's so that you can take out the pans. And then you just pop this right back in, and it's magnetic. Holds those little shadows right in. So that is a pretty cool little thing. Now I have not swatched. I'm not gonna play with this because I'm not sure right now. I was supposed to be doing a December giveaway, and because of the holidays, I did end up ill. Not from a cold or anything like that. Thank God, not COVID related. But I did end up with a pretty bad case of depression. And when depression hits me, a lot of you don't know my history or my story, but when it does hit me, it knocks me out to the point of sleeping can be when you wake up after the nighttime and you get up to start your day in the morning. But an hour and a half later, I'm back down for about 4 to 5 hours. So it was really bad during this last week, and it hit pretty hard. I was gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna try to continue to do the giveaway and see if I can't get a winner before December 31st. I'm gonna try, but please don't hold me to it. We'll do the best that I can. It is over on my Instagram. So please, if you have Instagram, follow me at LadyLori_805. And I will put that, it'll probably be right here on the screen somewhere. If it's not right here, right there, it'll be linked down below. And then there's this. This is the Beauty Blender Bounce, and I've always wanted one of these. I see these gals with these very strange looking foundations, and you just, this pump that comes out basically onto the actual, and I've always wondered, I said, how are they doing that? And my shade is Blend 3.75. Now, I'm not sure why that seems a little dark, because like I said, I think I'm gonna have to go back and see what I chose, what my choices were. And then I'll put a little something something on the screen. Usually it's up top on the right that tells you what I chose and what I didn't choose, what my choices were. This is Bounce. So this is what I was talking about. Okay, so I've watched a ton of Instagram videos and I see these gals with these things and I go, well, that is such a cool foundation. The bottle, the packaging. And then they turn it around and I go, what are you doing? Where's all this stuff coming from? How are you getting it out onto there? And they take their beauty blender and they dab it like this. So basically what it is you unlock it here. If you're like me and you have no idea what these things or how they work, just hang on. You unlock it right here. You give it some pumps, but you don't have it like this or it's going everywhere. You give it some pumps kind of like that at an angle, and then it's going to fall into this little well. See the little concave? Is it concave? Yeah, concave, the little well. So it's a little well. You know, looks like a little skateboarders park. The swimming pool with no water. Anyway, like this, and it comes out in here, and they take their beauty blender and they go like this, and they put their foundation on. But this looks a little dark. I'm telling you folks, this looks a little dark. That is not my shade. It may or may not be. I'm gonna find out if this is the color that I chose. I can't see me choosing a 3.75. I just can't. Or 3.70. Just looks a bit dark. And considering I've been given a product that is the shades of women of color, it wouldn't surprise me if this happened to me with IPSY as well. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you did give it a thumbs up, that would be awesome. And if you're new here, thank you so much. And welcome. It's all I can say is you are so welcome. And we are now friends. We're friends. You know why? Because you clicked on that subscribe button, and we're gonna hang out in every video. You're gonna get to know me, and I'm probably gonna get to know you if you leave me a comment. That's kind of the only place we can interact. So you guys have a wonderful evening. I'm gonna still try to beat this sun before I have to turn on what I call the demon child. That's my ring light. All right, have a wonderful evening, and you guys come on back because I got a few more boxes. So I'll see ya in my next video, and I'm not gonna do the bye because it's not time. So sit tight and I'll be right back.